Hey guys, I'm back, and today, I'm sorry that I've been inactive, but today I am playing Starblox Tycoon. So yeah, there's some money over here, so let's just go get that. 760 cash. That's good. You can get this. You can get that. Do anything else? So I just got an upgrade. So that's good. Oh, I'm gonna get the entrance. Ooh, nice. Yes. I just need to get 800. Yeah, I'm actually making money really easy. Oh my god. I'm making it easy. The stars that you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You be the one I was meant to find. I know I'm a bad singer. I'm sorry. I just like singing. I just have to get 5K. I already got it. Now it's 10K. Jeez. It'll be easy to get that, so. Seriously, 15K? How about we look over here with my money? Getting a lot done over here. I'm just gonna get that thing real quick. There you go. Yeah, no more for a while. I need 8K. I'm just gonna buy all of the bushes. 25K. Maybe something else there. It's by the walls. And then 8 more K. I need 17K. I need to fix that. Ugh. This thing is slow or something. Well, let's just get the 20 thing. I mean, it will give me more money. Ugh. I got the ceiling now. Geez, these things over here are expensive. There you go. Okay, last table right here. 15K. Also, I'm actually gonna get that thing right there, the upgrade first. Geez, that was actually really easy to get like that much money. Geez, I'm lucky about that thing. It's gonna take forever. Oh my god. Let's do this one. There we go. Jeez. 25K. Oops, I already bought this. I'm just gonna buy this. 40K. I'll be back when I actually have 40K. Sorry about that, guys. I did get 40K and I got that conveyor. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm gonna buy that thing. And the 57K thing. Jeez, look how much money I'm getting. Okay, now that's the full upgrade. This is as much money as I can get right now. Jeez, I have a lot of money right now. How much K is this thing? Oh, they don't care about that. 20K, okay, I'll get that. I'm just gonna see what's in this room. Sofa 30K, oh. Whoa. Oh, these are like rooms. That's cool. 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 I was gonna get the bushes down, but you know what? I wanna see what this room looks like. I'll be back when I feel like I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So I actually got all of the bushes and all of these tables. I got those tables right there on the carpet. And right here are plants, and I don't know if I can do that yet, no. But I got TVs and a pillar. And now I'm working right back here. Which it's taking me forever because I have to go back and forth, and it gets annoying. Oh my god, I was so close. It's just, wow. Don't try to kill me, please. I'm just living my life right here. You just have to get 200K. Okay, she's gone now, and I'm gonna get my plant. Yeah, we have 5 more minutes, so I'm just honestly gonna be playing. I don't know how much I need. I'm just gonna get 200k just in case. 150, wow. Well, I was way off. Well, there you go. Taking forever. I wish I just had speed, but I don't feel like getting speed. Okay, 350 and 300. So let's just try to get 600. Oh my god. Let's just try to get like 650k, which I'm probably not gonna get, so. Okay, so I wonder if I could get more of that thing. Okay, now 50. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now I can at least get my thing that I needed. Yeah, we have like 3 more minutes. 400k? Okay. I wanna get down. Did that again? I wanna get downstairs at some point today, maybe. If I don't, and I like don't record it, I'm sorry if I don't. I honestly don't really keep track. Ugh, seriously, 400? I thought it was 300. Ugh, if I keep doing this, I'm not gonna make it. We have 2 more minutes. Oh, I forgot it's 400. Okay, there we go. We're probably not gonna make it downstairs, and I'm so sorry. Well, let's just go look downstairs. I can't even build anything down here, so. Sucks. I have 2 minutes. And what is it? 450. Okay. But yeah, I'm sorry, we will not be able to go downstairs. Probably not. Is that 450? I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make it. I am so sorry, guys, but we are not able to make all of the admin commands. I'm not gonna get admin commands. I don't need them. Okay, so it's our last minute, so I'm just gonna start saying like my goodbye. So bye guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already, put my post notifications on. And yeah, I hope you guys all had a wonderful day. And if you're just watching this and you were like down and I made you happy, I'm happy to be helping you guys. So yeah, bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of interesting, but yeah, bye.